So my name is Shawn Daniels. I'm a coordinator for the Carpentry and Renovation Techniques program at Confederation College. The carpentry trade is very physical. It could be inside work, could be outside work. You need many different skill sets. The lab I work in is fully equipped. It has all the modern tools that a carpenter will be exposed to.
I chose to enroll in this program. It's always something I sort of wanted to do. Part of it is my family that's starting to grow older is to look forward to taking care of family properties and being able to help out a little bit more that way.
I chose carpentry and renovation techniques so that one day I can build my own house. And if it comes to the point where I just have to get a house built, I can actually see what they're doing. And I can understand then that if they're cutting corners or not doing things properly.
What I've enjoyed learning is just how true that it is to be meticulous with our measurements, and you can see it throughout some of the other classes that we have, which is blueprint reading. Everything's down to a particular size and measurement that you would do to scale.
I'm looking forward to the roof building, and I think there's a wall involved as well. I think that'll be interesting because it'll tie into me building a house one day.
Right now, carpentry and renovations, it's a huge industry. There's lots of opportunity. Employers are looking for people that want to work. So a good attitude and good work ethic and some knowledge, and you can set yourself up.